of the metal ox. The years of the ox in the Chinese horoscope are 1913, 1925, 1937, 1949, 1961, 1973, 1985, 1997, 2009, 2001, 2033. Lucky color: silver, gray, white, green, yellow. Lucky numbers: 7, 9, 12, 21, 34, 42. Lucky days: 5th, 9th, 17th, and 29th day of every month based on Chinese lunar calendar. Ang taon na ito ay magiging maswerte at perpekto din upang mag-focus sa mga relasyon kung pinag-uusapan natin ang tungkol sa pagkakaibigan o pag-ibig. Sa Chinese zodiac, ang ox ay napakasipag at mapamaraan. Ang 2021 ay magiging isang taon kung kailan ang trabaho ay gagantimpalaan. At ang mga palatandaan ng zodiac na maswerte sa mga tuntunin ng pera sa taong ito ay ang mga makakagawa ng isang malaking pagsisikap. Ang enerhiya ng yen na tukoy sa Chinese zodiac sign ng ox ay magiging lubos na nakakaantig. Ito ay magiging isang taon kung kailan natin lubos na madarama ang bigat ng ating mga responsibilidad. Isang taon kung kinakailangan na doblehin ang ating mga pagsisikap upang magawa ang anumang bagay sa lahat. Sa taong ito, walang mga paputok o mapaminsalang kaganapan na magaganap, kaya't ito ay isang kanais-nais na taon para sa pagaling ng ekonomiya o pagsasama-sama, isang taon ng pangmatagalang pamumuhunan, lalo na para sa paglikha ng isang stock ng reserba para sa mga darating na hindi produktibong taon. Ang taon ng Metal Ox ay mahusay din para sa pag-ayos ng buhay ng pamilya. Kung tutuusin, kung mapayapa ang buhay ng pamilya, malulutas ang lahat. Sa gayon, ang 2021 ay isang taon kung saan ang lahat ng mga problema ay malulutas sa disiplina. A lot of discipline, obviously with an extra effort from us in organizing our time. Zodiac sign based on your birthday. Your lucky colors. Your lucky numbers. Capricorn. The year 2021 is going to be a busy year in terms of professional area, as this year, you will spend time building your financial goals and reassessing the way you budget your income. So, if you've been spending frivolously, you have to stop it right away and change your attitude towards money and start saving it. Your lucky colors. Your lucky numbers. Aquarius. Your task for 2021 is to break down your walls, as well as to learn to put yourself first. Your season begins on Tuesday, January 19, giving you no excuse not to start celebrating yourself early in the year. Remind your friends and family that it's your birthday, but let them do the work. Your lucky colors. Your lucky numbers. Pisces. The year 2021 is going to be a momentous year in your professional life, as a lunar eclipse in late May and solar eclipse in mid-December will activate your ambitious house and will evoke unexpected changes in your career. Also, you may find yourself taking up opportunities you never have considered before. Your lucky colors. Your lucky numbers. Aries. Year 2021 would be a promising year for Aries, with myriad opportunities for growth and development. This year, you would have a sense of optimism and an eagerness to pitch in more effort, and would bring more ambitions a little closer. You would find challenges en route. Use them as stepping stones towards your success in life. Your lucky colors. Your lucky numbers. Taurus. This will mean different things for everyone, but for you, dear Taurus, 2021 will largely be about your career. Even as financial fallout continues from COVID-19, the next 12 months will include some life-changing opportunities and decisions regarding your professional life, so get ready to make money moves. Your lucky colors. Your lucky numbers. Gemini. Your hard work pays off again in 2021 when lucky Jupiter enters Pisces in your 7th house of social status on Thursday, May 13, where it will stay until Wednesday, July 28. Thank goodness you like the spotlight, because it's going to shine on you. The Sun enters Gemini, kicking off your season on Thursday, May 20. Your lucky colors. Your lucky numbers. Cancer. 2021 is going to be a lucky year for Cancers, and they will be able to achieve all the goals they establish for themselves. However, to reach these goals, the Cancers need to learn how to harmonize their emotions and no longer doubt their skills. Your lucky colors. Your lucky numbers. Leo. For Leos, 2021 will be a year of new projects, opportunities, and new horizons. Your business flair will be very sharp, and you can take advantage of different facilities. You will be more patient, more perspicacious, and tenacious. You will treat all the aspects, both private and professional, with a lot of responsibility. Your lucky colors. Your lucky numbers. Virgo. 2021 is going to be a lucky year for Virgos, who will manage to continue their projects and start new ones, taking small but sure steps to reach their goals. Jupiter brings into your life the dose of luck each of your needs. It seems that the planets shine upon on you, especially in your financial life, and some unexpected earnings may occur. Your lucky colors. Your lucky numbers. Libra. Welcome to 2021, Libra, and congrats on surviving 2020. Because you're an air sign, and flirty as they come, sometimes people assume that you take life lightly. The reality is that, as the sign of balance and partnerships, you just want to do whatever you can to keep the peace. Your lucky colors. Your lucky numbers. Scorpio. As per Scorpio's yearly horoscope 2021, you are likely to be successful in all walks of life by accumulating wealth. However, if you are trying to seek credit or loans, Then, this can later reduce your income earning capacity. Your lucky colors. Your lucky numbers. Sagittarius, in the year 2021, you are going to feel pressure in your professional life as Jupiter and Saturn are coming together in your brainy third house of communication. So, it is advised to you to pay attention to the way you manage your task, analyze information, and connect intellectually with people around you during work.